School Joys by Harika presents to you making a fox face using paper plate. Let's start. You need paints, paper plate, paper, pencil, brush pen and scissors. Now remove the plastic from the plate so that you can paint on it easily. Now let's paint the plate using brown color. Paint it all and now let it dry for 5 minutes. Now let's make nose and eyes till that time. Make a big circle and two small circles. Paint them black using the brush pen. It's done. Now let's cut it out using the scissors. It's done. Now let's take another plate for making the ears of the fox. Cut it out. It's done. Now let's paint them also brown so that they look same. Similar type. Paint, paint, paint. Scribble type only. And it's done. Now let them also dry. Let's take the braid that has dried and fold it to make the face of the fox. Now let's stick the plate so that it doesn't come out. Only paste at the corners, not needed to put it like everywhere. Just corners will also work. And then paste it, like push it somewhat. Now let's paste the nose and the eyes. Nose will be on the tip down. Yeah. And the eyes, let's paste the eyes now. They will be on the corner, like not in the corner, the curved type part of the plate. You can see the placing in the video. Now let's start with the ears. You have to only put the glue in the downer part, not in the hole, because we need to only paste it from there. Just press it a little so that it doesn't come out. Pasting the second ear. And it's done. I hope you liked the video. If you did, do like, share and subscribe the video. From now you will get a video every Wednesday and Saturday. Do check it out. Bye.